Hola, ciudad, Carlos. Tengo a alguien más que he capturado. I captured one people very intelligent. Trabaja en Intel, trabaja un proyecto muy interesante. What project are you working right now?
So I work on the Middleboard project, which is an open hardware project that uses an Intel-based x86 processor in a small board computer. So, you know, things like it looks and acts kind of like a PC, but the entire board's only about yay big. So, and it's got USB 2 and USB 3 and a bunch of high-speed interfaces, as well as access to GPIOs and SPI and I2C. So if you want to hook up sensors or motors or whatnot, you can hook it up directly to the board.
Wow, we are in El Salvador siempre estamos interesados porque Intel está empezando a entrar al Open Hardware. What do you feel in Intel to enter in the Open Hardware community?
So the middleboard's outside of Intel directly, but Open Hardware is really important because it gives everybody access to a really good reference. To be able to build things, to be able to change things, and having having an Intel-based open hardware platform, just gives everybody access to a really powerful system on chip. And how do you hook up DDR3 memory, or how do you hook up USB 3? It just gives good reference material regardless of what the actual chip on the board is.
What do you say to the people in El Salvador create and improve his knowledge of open hardware? What do you say to the people in El Salvador?
Just go out there and try things. Don't be afraid to fail, because quite frankly, I'm a software guy and I'm working on hardware. And when you think about this, I should be absolutely scared to touch hardware because I'm a software guy.
Yeah.
Everything. I'm used to typing make and fixing my problems 30 seconds after I've made the bug. But with hardware, it's always a little bit more difficult. It's always a little bit harder. But don't be afraid to try something. Go explore. Just start randomly plugging things together. Well, maybe not quite randomly plugging things together, but just go and experiment. Go and try things, and don't be afraid. Are you going to let the magic smoke out of a computer at some point? Yes, we've all done it. Some of us on much more expensive boards than others. But really, just go, experiment, try things, and just don't be afraid.
Espero que hayan disfrutado del evento y espero que voy a mandar más videos como posible. Nos vemos en el próximo pequeño video. Adiós.